the arithmetic mean of set of the value 4, 13, 25, 18, and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the sum of all numbers divided by the number of values here, 5. Okay, then the result will be what? The result will be 18. Question number 2. If 3a subtracted by 2b over 7a plus 4b equal 0, you want to find the value of b over a. Then we can use the properties about product of streams equal product of means, or the numerator here it will be equal 0. 3a minus 2b equals 0, because any number, if we put any number here in the numerator and 0 divided by this number equal 0, this number numerator will be 0. But 7a plus 4b not equal 0. Okay, then the numerator must be equal 0. Then 3a will be equal to b. Then the ratio between a and b, a times 3 and b times 2, then the ratio will be 2 over 3 here. But he won't find b over 8 will be 3 over, to write the inverse about this fraction here. Next example, number 3. If there are 200 calories and 15 grams, 200 calories and 50 grams, okay, of one kind of food, then the number of calories at 30 gram equal what? We can use properties product of extremes equal product of means. In the value of x equal 30 product by 200 over 50, cancel 0 by 0. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. 4 times 30 it will be 120. Okay, next question, number 4. If 1, x, 9, y are continuous proportional, then x and y equal what? We can find the ratio between 1 over x equal 9 over y. Okay, he give us this properties continued. Yes, continued. Continued proportion 1 and x and 9 and y. 1 over x equal x over 9 equal 9 over y. Then the value of x here, we can find the value of x and value of y. X power 2, it will be 9. Then x will be positive or negative, square root of 9, it will be 3. And here y will be equal 9 product by 9 divided by x. Then try positive and negative, 9 times 9, x positive or negative 3. Y will be positive or negative, 9 divided by 3 equal 3, 3 times 9 equal 27. Then we have two values about x and y. Next example, number 5. The function f of x from what? Fourth degree, because we have here x power 4. It's fourth degree, polynomial of 4 degrees. Then you must write here fourth degree. Write this fourth degree about this question number 5. Question number 6. X and y are two variables. If x1 y1 over x2 y2 equal 1, then the product of extremes equal product of means, then the numerator equal denominator. Then I am going to write x1 y1 equal x2 y2. Why? Because 1 times this denominator it will be itself. Then the ratio between, I write here x1, you want to find relation between x and y. You can write x1 and product between y1, and here x2 product by y2. Then we have the inverse relation between x and y. Then y varies inversely with x right here in this relation. Now we will complete the example here. Question number 2 shows the correct answer. Number 1, if a over b equal 5 or 3, then 3a over 5b it will be equal 1. Okay, the result will be 1. Choose letter A. Question number 2. You want to find the number of element in x2. Okay, we have x, 3 numbers, 5 and 6 and 7, then 3 power 2 it will be 9. Then question number 2, the result will be 9. Question number 3, we have y power 2 plus 4x power 2 equal 4xy. We can write y power 2 subtract 4xy plus 4x power 2, and then we can factorize them, y power 2, and write the sign here negative, and square root of 4x power 2, 4x power 2 square root of 8, it will be 2x. Then 1 minus 2x will be 0, then y will be equal to x. Then we have the verse inversely with y and between y and x. Okay, then write here letter A. About question number 3, choose letter A. Question number 4, if f is an odd number, then the next odd number it will be f plus 2. Okay, f plus 2. Odd number such as 3, the next number 5, we must eat 2, then f plus 2. Choose letter D. Question number 5, if all individuals are equal, then sigma will be equal 0. Okay, sigma here will be equal 0. Choose letter B. About question number 5. Question 6, if 4 and 4 was belonging to 2 and x Cartesian product with 1 and 4, then x here 4 belonging to this set, then x will be equal 4. Next example, question letter A. If e power 2 plus p power 2 plus 4 is equal a over p, we have a, we can factorize this expression by write e power 2 p power 2 subtract ap plus 4 equal 0, and then factorize this term. Write the square root about first, it will be ab, square root about third, it will be half, write the sign in the middle here, half, subtract between them, subtract by half, ab minus half all power 2, it will be this expression, because the first power 2, second power 2, and the middle 2 times half times ap. Then we can write ap subtract by half equals 0, then ap equal half, and then you can write e equal 1 over 2p, and then a will be half product by b, but p in denominator 1 over 2b, it's a constant. You can cancel the constant here and write a verse inversely with p. A will be verse inversely with p. Okay, then next example. If e power 2, which are letter b, e power 2 plus p power 2 over p power 2 equal p power 2 plus c power 2 over c power 2, prove that p is the middle proportional between e and c. So to find the result of this example, you must using the rule the product of extremes equal product of means. We will do here c power 2 by a power 2 plus p power 2, it will be equal p power 2 by p power 2 plus c power 2, and then distributive property c power 2 times e power 2, it will be c power 2 e power 2 plus c power 2 times b power 2 c power 2 p power 2, and b power 2 power p power 2 product between them, it will be power 4, and here p power 2 times c power 2, it will be power 2 c power 2. You can cancel exactly same terms here and then write c power 2 e power 2 equal b power 4, and then you can put the square root to left hand side right hand side, then c product by a equal p power 2, and then you can write the relation between c and c product by a equals ce, and b times b equal b power 2. Then p is the middle proportional between e and c. Okay, you must know steps and write all these questions in your notebook to know the steps. Okay, next example here, you can solve this example by find the center between 0 and 2 and 4 plus 6 divided by 2 and so on. You can solve this example with yourself, it's very easy. Okay, Next example, question letter B. If we have y verse with x, direction with x, then y will be equal mx, and give us y equal 20 when x equals 7, then m equal 20 over 7. And then we want to find the relation between y and x. Put m equal 20 over 7 here, then y equal 20 over 7x. It's a relation between y and x. And he wants to find the value of y when x equal 14. At x equal 14, then y equal 20 over 7 product by 14. 14 divided by 7 equal 2. 2 times 20 equal 40. Then the value of y will be equal 40. Next example here, question number 5. He wants to find the relation between x and y. He gives us x 1 2 5 7 and y 2 3 7 8, and the relation between them refers to a plus b, an odd number. Okay, we know odd numbers meaning 1 3 5 7. Okay, in number here 1 and 3, we must add 2 from the rule. Okay, and we have the rule here, a plus b is an odd number. Odd number. First we have 1 2 5 7, and then y equals heat of 2 3 7 8, and then I am going to find the relation between them. R will be equal, we can write 1 plus 2 equal 3, 3 odd numbers. 1 plus 3, no, 1 plus 3 equal 4, 1 plus 7 8, 1 plus 8 equal 9. It's odd number. And then choose 2 by 2 4, 2 plus 3 equal 5, and 2 plus 7 equal 9. 2 plus 8 equal 10. No, don't choose 10 because 10 is even number. And then 5 with 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 5 plus 7 12. 5 plus 8 13. 5 and 8. And then you can choose 7 with 2. 7 plus 2 equal 9. And 7 plus 3 equal 10. 10 is even number. 7 plus 7 14. 7 plus 8 15. Okay, it's the relation. But this relation not function. Why? Because we have here one has a lot of image, or two images in y. Okay, we have a lot of images here. R is not function because each of the element, such as that 1 2 5 7, has more one image in y. Okay, and you want to find the result by orthogram. Okay, you want to find orthogram. Draw this vertical here about x and y, and then write all point or all element of x in the first group. Here x contains of 1 2 5 and 7. Then I am going to draw the ray from x and y. X ray here from the range, and from y we can find what we have here. X 1 2 5 and 7, and y element here 2 3 7 8. Then we haven't range here because are not a function. Then we haven't in range here. Okay, then the domain here 1 2 5 7, we can draw from 1 with what? 1 with 2 and 1 and 8. 1 8 and 1 and 2, it's odd numbers. 2 and 3, 2 and 7, 5 and 2, 5 and 8, 7 and 2, 7 and 8. Then we can write here R is not a function. R is not a function because each element in X has each element 1 and 2 and 5 and 7 has more than one image in Y, has more than one image in Y. Okay, R not a function because each element in X has more than one image in Y. Okay, has more than one image in Y. Okay, which shall letter B? If the weight of body on the Earth's weight varies as its weight on the moon R, we have the variance between them. X, we have direct relation between them. X, W and R, then W1 over W2 equal R1 over R2. He give us first weight 182 and radius 1 here. R reverse to the weight on the moon was 35 and weight to 312, right? 35 times 312 over 182. We can use the result by using calculator. The result will be 60 kilogram.